Dear viewers, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'll show how you can georeference any image or any map which is not in georeference. Such as example, how you can georeference toposheet or topographical map. Here I'll show how you can georeference Survey of India topographical map. And in the previous video, I tried to show how you can georeference topographical map or any other map which is not georeferenced or any other image, and this video will be different from that in terms of method. Here I will discuss very specific steps of georeferencing of Survey of India toposheet. So first of all, I created a Excel sheet where map number means topographical map number, latitudinal extension of that map. Here for the map F45 I10, this is the 4 corner latitude and longitude also, and at the same time latitude longitude in a single pixel. And then I converted the latitudinal and longitudinal values in degree minute second to decimal degrees. This is the decimal degree of the latitude longitude, and if you don't know how you can convert degree minute second to decimal degrees, please see my previous videos or by clicking on the link in the description box of this video. So first of all, you need to convert the latitude and longitude into decimal degrees, and then you need to save in Excel workbook 2003. Then open the ArcGIS, then add the Excel workbook 2003, add sheet, add, and now click on layer to change the coordinate system, and then coordinate system WGS 1984. Okay, and also you can change the decimal degree to degree minute second. Okay, and now I'll show display XY data. This is longitude and latitude, x and y values respectively, and the coordinate system. Okay, okay, okay. This is the latitude and longitude of the values given in the Excel sheet. And now I'll open or I'll add the map or image which is not georeferenced. Think that these two images in JPG format I'll add. Okay, and now I want to georeference this image F45 I10. For that you need to right click, zoom to layer. Okay, this is the map, and now I'll georeference F45 I10, and then this at control points. Then you need to zoom. One thing you need to do, you need to convert this point into Shapefile format. For that, right click, data, export data, and then georeferencing 1 Shapefile. Save. Okay. Yes. Now you can delete this point data, remove, and you can label features, properties, map number not, lat long. For this purpose, I created one column called lat long. Zoom to layer. See that? These are the all lat long. Okay. Now I'll zoom to layer. Now I'll georeference this image, this topographical map. Georeferencing, select yes, F45 I10, and then add control point, then zoom this. Add control point. See that 8630 2245. Here zoom to layer 8630 2245. This is the point. Okay, then again zoom to layer, zoom. Here see that 8645 2245. 8645, zoom to layer, see that 8645 2245. Then again zoom, see that 2230 8630. This, and again this to this. Okay, then you need to click on rectify, and I want to create a new folder called rectify. Okay, if you want to change the name, you can change. I don't want to change. Yes, I also want to change this, then save. Now your georeferencing is completed. Now I'll open the georeferenced map. This is the rectified map, and now zoom to layer. See that this is the rectified map, and this is one of the simplest way to rectify or to georeference any image, and this process is very accurate, and this process is needed for different purposes also. So I think this video is helpful to you, so like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. And of course I want to request you, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get notification of new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much.